This very rare and desirable classic car is for sale. The Jaguar XK150S 3.8 litre Drophead Coupe is believed to be in the smallest production run of any Jaguar. Being original right-hand drive, it was sold by Rossleigh in Edinburgh in 1959. The present owner has owned the car for over 40 years. It is painted in its original colour of British racing green and has a green suede interior. It has just undergone a ground-up restoration of the highest quality, with personal advice from the technical director of the Jaguar Enthusiasts Club. It has a genuine mileage of just over 80,000 miles and also has a recent MOT. It has been independently valued at £250,000 and is being offered for sale at £195,000. Only those seriously interested in buying this car should email scott@premiermotorsaberdeen.com.